Today I'm going to give a demonstration of the elephant's toothpaste chemical reaction. For this I'm going to need hydrogen peroxide, dish detergent, and potassium iodide as the catalyst. Also a little bit of food coloring for effect. You may have last year seen the try at home version. This is not that. Do not try this one at home. For the safe at home version, check in the description, there will be a link to it. Okay, first we add the hydrogen peroxide. This is not the kind of hydrogen peroxide that you get at the drugstore. If you use this, you'll give yourself a chemical burn. Okay, next we add the dish soap. Just enough it'll bubble really good. Last time I did blue. This time I'm going to add red food coloring, red for danger. Okay, now making the catalyst. Mix this with water so it'll be nice and easy to pour. There now, wasn't that much cooler than last year's? But unlike last year's, this is not one that you want to try at home. That certainly was awesome. If you enjoyed that, feel free to give me more ideas for science videos to do. And if you'd like to do something like this at home, here's a link to a safe at home version of elephant's toothpaste to try. It's not nearly as spectacular as this, but it's still a lot of fun.